Welcome to the What's Next in 5G series. I'm your host, Vanita Kumar, VP of Engineering at Qualcomm Technologies. I'm coming to you from our campus in San Diego, California. For decades, this has been the home of wireless invention. Now, I'm inviting you backstage to talk to the thinkers and doers behind our inventions. In this series of 6 short episodes, you will see how we develop the technologies of tomorrow. I will talk to my colleagues and get insights into what they are excited about as we look at what's in store for us with 5G. They will tell you all about the cool things we are working on, and you will get a feel for what 5G and Qualcomm technologies mean to the world. I currently lead the global modem technology software teams at Qualcomm Technologies. With 25 years in wireless, I have worked with teams doing amazing things, history in the making. I was there when we brought up our first 3G chipset. I remember huddling around, holding our breath, waiting for the first call to be completed. And I will never forget that very eventful, action-packed holiday weekend in 2010 when our team supported the first major launch of 4G LTE, pushing the boundaries of what people thought was possible on a mobile device. As exhilarating as all that was, I can tell you that with 5G, I've never been more excited for the future of our industry. I know what a powerful impact mobile technology can have on our lives. If the last year has taught us anything, it's our inherent need to stay connected and our desire to achieve a sense of normalcy through these connections. Even when we are uncertain about what's ahead, our technologies provide connectivity, reliability, and stability, and 5G is improving it all. So how do I see 5G capabilities making a difference in the hands of millions, if not billions of people in 2021 and beyond? Simply put, 5G is built to offer much better mobile experiences, faster downloads, higher speeds, and richer gaming experiences. It also means with 5G, those video calls can be more reliable, interactive, and secure. Field workers, first responders, and healthcare professionals can use low-latency connected applications and services via always-on connected PCs and devices to help save lives. 5G can also transform industries as advanced cloud applications increase productivity and change the delivery of goods and services. What was once a vision dreamed up on our campus can now become a reality. We also see 5G bridging the connectivity gap. We could have more seamless internet access, not just on our smartphones, but also for homes and small businesses through fixed wireless access services. Factories can be safer and enterprises more efficient as 5G allows them to connect equipment, cameras, and sensors using private networks. We aren't just talking about phones and tablets here, but whole interconnected systems, smart cities, autonomous vehicles and infrastructure, and mission-critical command and control. The way I see it, 5G will improve the way people live, work, and play. In this series, we will go a level deeper, behind the scenes to hear about the latest 5G inventions and applications and how they work. We will share a glimpse of the cool innovations Qualcomm is delivering that allow 5G to reach its full potential. You will hear about millimeter wave, carrier aggregation, and other technologies we are spearheading to make 5G faster, more robust, and more broadly available. Before we take a look at what's next in 5G, let's take a look at where 5G is today. 5G proliferation is moving fast. Today, more than 130 operators in nearly 60 countries have launched commercial 5G services. The speed of 5G adoption has surpassed the expectations of many. But exceeding expectations is nothing new in the wireless industry. In the early days of the cellular industry, back in the 1980s, a top management consulting firm estimated no more than 1 million mobile subscribers in 2000. In reality, it was 100 times that number. With 5G, the wireless industry is beating all the records once again, even after the world was hit by the pandemic. Analysts on average predicted no more than 150 million 5G handsets would be shipped last year, but the industry shipped close to 200 million in 2020. And for 2021, we expect that to be between 450 and 550 million. That's about twice as fast as it took for 4G to reach the same milestone. In the US, the vast majority of 5G phone models, including all key flagship devices, already support 5G millimeter wave using Qualcomm Snapdragon modem RF systems. We are bringing the world's fastest cellular speeds. The same 5G millimeter wave technology is now available in Japan, Europe, and Southeast Asia, with more expected to come, including South Korea, Germany, the UK, and Australia. Soon, we will see it in China for the Winter Olympics in early 2022. We have seen a ton of progress in 5G, and this past year was no different. Even though we all had to adjust to a new way of working due to the pandemic, our teams made relentless progress towards innovation. So if you want to hear more about how these newest products and technologies raise the bar for 5G, join me throughout the What's Next in 5G series. For example, what's this, you ask? In our next episode, I'll be sitting down with Durga Maladi, Qualcomm Technologies SVP and GM 4G 5G, to get the answer. Let's get started.